Okay, good morning class. So at this point we're looking at financial maths. We're looking at the calculation of interest rates. Okay? This is the example on page 370. Okay. So the calculation of interest rates. So we have 50,000 Rand invested for a period of 7 years. Okay. The total amount accumulated in the fund at the end of 7 years is 83,568. So here we are given the invested amount, which is P, and we are given the return, which is the A value of 83,568 Rand. The first question says calculate the interest per annum compounded annually that will yield this return. It will give you this return. So since it's a compound interest, I must use the compound formula. So compound interest will result in the compound formula. So A is equal to P into 1 plus I to the exponent n. What is your A value? What's the A value? 83,568 Rand. What's my P value? 50,000 into 1 plus I, which is what you're calculating. They want you to calculate your interest rate, which is I to the exponent. 7 years? 7. So what do I do first in pursuit of calculating I? Divide by 500. No, 50,000. Alright? Divide by 50,000. So that cancels. Then what do I do? We got 1 plus I to the exponent 7 is equal to 83568 over 50,000. What do I do then? Take the 7th root both sides. Not so. So that gives us, just pull this down here. That gives us 7th root of 83568 over 50,000. That gives us 1.076. So that is 1 plus I equals 1.076, and the number carries on, and then I take 1 over, and I multiply it by 100y, so they wanted the rate. So say minus 1 times 100 gives us 7.61%. You all understand? Any confusion here? No. Okay. Then the B part of the question says, calculate the simple interest rate per annum that will provide the same return. So what do I do here? I use the simple interest formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus I times N. What's your A value? 83,568 Rand. The P value is 50,000 Rand. Into 1 plus I is what I'm calculating, and N is your time, which is 7 years. So what do I do first? In pursuit of calculating I divide by 50,000 Rand both sides. Okay, so I got 1 plus I times 7 is equal to 83568 over 50,000. What do I do now? I then subtract it by 1, not so? You all agree with that? So I subtract 1. Then what do I do? After I subtract 1, how do I get I on its own? You divide by 7 both sides. So my I, that answer I multiplied by 100 to get the rate. So I have 83,568 over 50,000 minus 1. And that's in your numerator. Okay? And that is over 7. So that is 0,0959 the number case. But they want the rate. And your rate is your 100 times I. Which gives me 9,59%. Any confusion here? No. At this point you should be able to answer exercise 11.2. Okay. If you want the full video, the link will be below. Good afternoon, class.